Hello. Welcome to a new Minecraft series called Echo. Yeah, it's on a server with quite a few people. I don't know. There's one of them over there. He's the only one who's on right now, but yeah, so yeah, this is a new Minecraft series I'm doing. So this is what I've been working on this for quite a while now, and that's the owner of this. Created it. Pretty cool. Called Echo SMP. Let's go find him. So he is Graded Bicycle, or Mr. Mez, as most people call him. And I don't know what his skin is, but it's kind of scary, and he has a sword, so I better get one. So, probably what we need to do first is just get some basic resources and make sure that we can do everything. And by the way, this is on Java, so we'll see how that goes. One of my first times playing on this, but oh well. Aw, dang it, he's beating me so much. We gotta go faster. Come on, tree, come down. There we go. Okay, I saw a good cave over here earlier, so we're gonna go over to that probably. Yeah, here we go. Oh, bit of lag, but that's kind of expected from a new world that we haven't loaded very much yet. We will also have, you guys have probably seen him on my channel before. Cosmonaut will be joining us for this, so we'll be playing with him a bit and maybe forming some alliances. I don't know yet. But as of right now, we just need to get the basics. Like a wooden pickaxe. Haven't made one of these in a while. Then we'll immediately just go make us a stone pick. Then we'll get a bunch of stone for our tool set. Keep that for later. What? Oh, I thought he had made the advancement already. Something like, you know, getting iron or something. And I thought that would have been crazy. Which it was, because he hasn't. Alright, so got some stone here. Ah, so much lag. No lag, please. Be nice, Minecraft. A couple other people will have on here as well. One person I know of is Ghost Phantom. I don't know, I've never really heard of him. Cosmonaut kind of invited him. So, we've got about... we've got 4 people who are guaranteed to be playing on this, and then 2 more who might possibly join in, but right now we're just going to get set up because we just started the server and everyone else isn't on, so might as well get a head start. If you know what I'm saying. Set up our base before everyone else, get a monopoly going. Make sure that no one can beat us. Yeah. Anyway, I'll probably be back once I get some basic tools in, and then we can go scout out an area for our base, because I have no idea what's in this world. Well, that didn't go to plan. I kinda died. Yeah, thanks, Mr. Skeleton. Now we gotta go find where all my stuff is. Mad. Oh, well, I think I should know where it all is, but not really. Oh, let's just hope we can find it. Oh, no, that's not what we want. That's not what we want. Go away, my friend. Thank you. Run. Oh, yes, here it is. Yes, there's my stuff. We're fighting him with a stone pickaxe. Yes, let's go. We got him. And we got a couple of bones. That'll be helpful. Okay, I say we pack up this stuff and go down into the cave a bit more. And yeah, again, I'll be back once I get some more stuff. Alright, everyone, just coming out of this cave from dying twice to a skeleton. But yeah, we got some stone tools, a bit of coal, and we'll probably get iron later, hopefully. But I do kind of want to go find somewhere to set up home. No, have somewhere to call my own. If I can find my way out. Okay. Mr. Mez kindly lit up the cave for me, so let's get out of here. Wonder where he's gonna live, because I don't want to live too far from everyone, because there is a bit of stuff I want to do, but far away from everyone. But yeah, so yeah. Okay, I did kind of like this spot, but I think we're gonna hit on the road again, because I really, really want to find some water that's close by a village. But if we can't find that, then we're just gonna probably, if we can't find a village or something, we'll just have to sit up here most likely. But dingberry bush, don't do that to me. Okay, we're gonna go get more berry. Oh yes, the berry mother lode. Let's get all these. That way I don't starve to death. What? So yeah, I think Graded Bicycle is already off somewhere, or Mr. Mez, but I hope we can sometime meet up with him and see what he's doing, because I would like to see what everyone else is up to. Be careful not to plant these. Alright, we got all those. And I see a plains biome over here, kinda. This looks like a plains biome. And yes, I think we have a plains biome. Let's go. This is a pretty good spot to find villages and stuff, so. Can't find a village in a dark oak, so I'm not gonna bother going in there. Unless we could find one of those mansions, woodland mansions, but I don't think I want that to be my starter house. Not really. I think I'm good. You know. Hey, Mr. Wolf, you want to be my friend? You have a tiny one. There's so many. Which one you want to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? Yay! You are my friend. You can be my friend. Now, should we try to get another one of your friends? No, he doesn't want to be our friend. That's okay. Come on, boy. Let's go. Wait, actually, I can dye your collar. I have some blue flowers. I'll dye you like my other dog, who sadly didn't go too well in my last world. But, come on. Come on, boy. Come on, Skipper. I don't know what I'm gonna call you. Should I call you Skipper? That sounds like a funny name. If we build a boat, he can be my boat captain. Skipper. Come on. Okay, boy. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, that's a good boy, Skipper. Just follow along. Is that a village I might see? Is that a village that I might see? It is a village that I see. Oh. Not the kind of village I was hoping for. Good boy, Skipper. Good boy. Alright, another bed, but we already have plenty. Although, we will take this bell kindly. Thank you. Thank you, game. Maybe... Okay, come in here, Skipper. Come here. Come here. Skipper. Where did you go? There you are. Come in here. Come. Come, come. Am I gonna have to push you on your tush? I guess I am. Let's see if our other friend can sleep who's on here. Okay, I guess no. Okay, we're just gonna stay in the shack. Well, actually, Skipper, you're gonna stay in the shack. I can go explore, because I have to... Actually, wait, I need to eat. Yep, we're not going to bed, but... Oh well. We need to get some better food than these berries so good. Because I'm not healing very well with these berries. Oh, we do have some meat. I forgot from those sheep. So we can use that. We'll save the rest of these berries to plant later. I'll even give you a piece of meat, Skipper. There you go. Yes, you like that? Yes, you like that. And there's even enough left for me. Alright, let's go around and see what we can find. Yes, for some bread. We will definitely be taking that. Let's see. And maybe if we find enough iron nuggets, we can even make a, yeah, some pumpkin seeds. We can make iron ingots and stuff. Yeah, let's go. That's pretty good. Okay, over here, what do we got over here? Pumpkins. Pumpkins. Are these jack-o'-lanterns? Because they're lighting up the place. Whoa, I didn't know these could spawn here. We'll definitely take those. Scare someone with them. Wait, can you put the jack-o'-lanterns on your head? Aw, you can't. Oh well, it's fine. We'll make do. Okay. Let's see what else can we find up here. Oh no, the lag. I can't find iron. You need to find a bed. Forget the iron. Oh, not gorget the iron. Forget the iron. Forget the mining. Just go to bed. Get a bed. That's all we need. Right, Mr. Dog? So we can continue on with our adventure. We just need him to sleep. If we have our beds, we have plenty of beds. Actually, is it day? I think it might be turning day, dog. Because if it is, oh, it is not day, but it's getting close. I hope. But either way, well, let's go. I can't sit in that little hut forever. And so we found this village, but it's abandoned. And that is not at all what we want. So we're gonna go find somewhere else to live. Oh no, a creeper. Should have left you in the house, dog. Okay, change my mind. I'm out. Oh no, we're gonna put the dog. Ooh, boy. There you go, boy. Oh! Watch out, dog! Watch out! Watch out! Oh my gosh. 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 Come here, dog. Come in. Dog, where are you? Teleport. Good boy. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, dog. Come in. Dog, get in here. Dog. Dog. Ah. You're gonna have to eat some rotten flesh, I'm afraid, my friend. Okay, you are not coming with us anywhere else. I've already lost too many dogs. Too many, my friend. You are going inside the home. The home, our home. Alright, everyone. Well, unfortunately, I was unable to find a village, and I'm kind of tired of looking. So, we're just going to set up camp here at this shipwreck that's gone ashore. And I think, yeah, I'm not sure if I want to live in the shipwreck, but I haven't explored it yet. And there's a ton of good area by here. We're by the coast, you know. I'll chill. He's already got a farm. He must be already setting up his base, because, you know. But we'll make a better base, I promise. Yeah. Maybe I should live in here. I don't know. What am I doing? Now we're gonna mine this with my pickaxe because I want to. There's a chest. Oh, let's go, jackpot. Okay, we're gonna clear out this area and kind of make it our little home. This can be our little starter home for now. Day one. Alright, everyone. So, this is our start. I mean, I haven't done much, but the inside, I've done a bit. I mean, we got some windows, some fresh windows I put in. Torches. Mr. Doggo is on the bed. Yeah. We got crafting table, chest, you know. But I think our next I think the next thing we need to get done is make a potato farm, because, you know, I be needing that food. So let's just grab this. We'll just set it by the ocean for now. And do I have any sticks? I don't think I have any sticks in there, so let's go ahead and make some. That way we can make our hoe. Okay. Let's go out here. I think we'll just set it up right along here. Place some dirt. That's enough for some potatoes. There we go. Small little farm. And actually, we probably should put down a bit of wheat as well for animals. Let me go see how many wheat seeds I have. Oh, we have a ton. We're gonna make a big farm, actually. We'll go ahead and plant some pumpkin seeds right here. There we go. We'll place all of those. Hopefully they'll grow out in the right way. And then over here, go ahead and place some more dirt. This can be our little wheat section. That way we can get some bread and enough, hopefully, for some animals later. There we go. That's a pretty good farm. Should be enough whenever our food stock goes out. And you know what? We'll even plant some sweet berries outside. Even though they're not that good for food, they'll still help a bit if we need them in a pinch. Just place them along here. This can be our little sweet berry field. There we go. That'll work. Forgot to put away the pumpkin seeds. Okay. Get some bread. Probably need to go do a bit more caving, but at the same time, I definitely want to get this area cleaned out. Down here. Oh, for more room. In fact, there might even be more to the ship under here that we can't even see. So we'll go ahead and get a bit of this cleaned out. Hold on. I do have a door. A couple extra doors that I was using earlier. Oh, I have them in my inventory. I'm kind of dumb. Okay. Let's go. Is this jungle wood? This looks like jungle wood. Ah, it's not. It's oak. No, this is Imerika explained. That is very confusing. Makes me confusion. Okay, this is the air pocket. Mine out of it. Actually, wait, we probably should leave all this, and then we can go ahead and clear this area out of water. Alright everyone, got this place successfully cleared out, and I found a buried treasure map. So yeah, now we have this whole space under here to work with, and yeah, just the captain's cabin quarters anymore, so let's see if we can find this treasure. Because I bet it might have some blue shinies. Well, okay, everyone. I spent a whole day digging this out, and I still can't find it. So, we're gonna have to leave this. Maybe we can come back to this in another episode, but I am running out of time, and yeah. So, go back, you know, this is just the starter episode, so hope that you all have enjoyed, and, you know, all I've got is some metal pants, a shield, and yeah, we'll see what happens next time. Adios! Ow.